Nishu.
Hello.
Hi. So I want to ask a questions like I have recently finished my examination, and now I want to prepare for my next paper as well. But in the meantime, also I want to do some jobs related to like finance or accounting or something like that, so that can help me in practical experience as well while preparing for ACCA. So can you suggest me some job portals where I can find jobs related to ACCA qualification?
Okay, alright, thank you for asking. So yes, ACCA requires 3 years PER. So obviously most of the students start working from the skill paper. But in my opinion, what I will suggest, don't join the job until your skill paper is finished. Have a good time, spend a quality of time with your books and the material to make a strong base of the knowledge which will be required in your professional paper. Okay, you know the profession paper is the advanced version of the skill one, right? So you should have a good knowledge and base of the theory and any of the topic, right? That's why I will suggest not to join the job until your skill paper is over. Even though you are confident that you can manage the both, that's a good thing. Hats up to you. And regarding the job, where do you look for? ACCA has launched the site accglobaljob.com. Come to the screen. I will show you how to get the job from there. Okay. So now exam is over, right? So let me know in the comment box how the paper has been gone. And so some of you might be looking for the job or their articleship in order to record the 3 years of PER requirement for ACCA, right? So if you are looking for the job, so this this video till end. In this video I will explain how to find the job. If you are ACCA student, this video are going to be useful for you guys. So what you have to do is you need to go to any web browser and just like me, I have opened the Google Chrome and just go to the Google and type ACCA Global Job. Once you will type this, press enter. So you will find ACCA career jobs. Okay, just click on that. Okay, and now you have to register. Okay, they will ask for your email ID and you have to register there. Once you are registered, you will be get notified by your email that this job opportunity being available in this area. Are you interested or not, right? Or what you can do is you can simply type a location. Let's look for the Nepal, as most of my viewers are from Nepal. So let's type Kathmandu. Okay, and if I will press on the search button, yeah, here you will find the vacancy available in Kathmandu. Okay, so let me open the full one first. So if you want to have a full picture of how many jobs are available and the details, my internet is slow little bit. So from here you can find the employer details and whether they are approved or non-approved, your job responsibility, what the qualification they required, everything you will find in this site. So just go in this website and check out your job vacancy available at your location and join it, right? So in case you didn't find any job that is suitable to you, in that case you can register and click on the alert button that will be on the below. My internet is very slow, so that I couldn't show right now. Yeah, the page has been opened. You can see in the Nepal there is 5 vacancy, in India 1000 plus, and you can find the vacancy detail like this. For the senior accountant in the Penta Prime, you will see the vacancy. If you go to the details, they will also let you know whether they are approved or not, okay, and they require the full-time permanent, and the role and responsibility, your salary, everything will be provided here, okay. So this is about your job vacancy. And next you have is what I can suggest. If you look for the India one, wait, I will show the India one. Yeah, in India you can see there is 1000 plus vacancy, right? So if you go over there, there are vacancy details, and along with the role and responsibility, salary, everything. So what you need to do is go on this page and register and create a alert for the job vacancy, or you can simply search which vacancies suit for you and go and get your interview. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I hope this video is useful. Let me know in the comment box.